Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to create a group in Slack. This is actually pretty easy and simple. I'm on Slack.com. I'm going to go to my imaginary video production company, Willis Productions, and it's now brought us to that workspace. And so what we're going to want to do is we're going to come down to direct messages and create a new direct message. So I don't currently have any coworkers or team members, but I'm going to add myself, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 email addresses to be invited to this group. So I'm going to do email@email.com and email2@email.com. And you'll notice that email got added to my coworkers. But now we have a group that includes me, email, and email2. I'm just going to come down here and send a fun message like, welcome everybody to our new group messaging space. So now email, email2, and myself can all correspond in this group messaging space. Thank you very much. That's going to be it for today. Please like and subscribe. See you later.